of all of us, she said.
Do you remember them what he took of us?
Well, I never asked.
I looked like me at all. I didn't see it was a great big face. And it just an air.
Now, let's have a look at it.
Walking round, she doesn't. Oh, look at that. Oh, look. Good my little Faye.
Alright, give me a kiss. I haven't had a kiss yet, Faye. Can I have one now?
If we have other things, must be the one who upside down.
Well, look, Daddy's car's steaming. The rain's making Daddy's car. Is it Spot? Spot the dog?
She knows about that cat. Hey, doesn't she?
Oh, he's backing above.
Look at that. So she's got a great big bum. It's the nappy. That's the cup. Where's the other
Have you seen my ball? Yeah, said the kangaroo. It's by the big ring. Oh, thank you, said Spot.
What you doing?
Oh!
Been in bed about 2.5 hours, that little one, you know. And Hayley went to bed, but she had about an hour, I think. Oh, oh, no. Nah. Come on round here, don't get the telephone. Oh, come on round to Daddy. Come on. This way to Daddy. Here we go. Round here. Right, let's get rid of these. I'll slide around them.
What's he doing? Hey? What's he doing?
Is that Mark's
Hey,
tea?
didn't I? Did he?
And now, these two, Sarah and James.
Watch Daddy's tea, don't touch it. You're supposed to laugh at him.
Give me a drink.
That's a smile.
That's a good girl. Don't swallow that, will you? Don't put that hand in your mouth, darling. It will swallow it, and then you'll die. body wash up and wax.
Treasure. A bit of treasure tea.
What's that?
Chin up. I'm playing nice. Mom. Morning, sir. Yes, what is it, Fireman Sam? Thought I'd better let you know that what's that cotton wool doing in your ears? I'm sorry, sir, I can't hear a word you're saying. I got some cotton wool in my ears. I said, what's that cotton? Oh, no, sorry, sir. I just going to test the sirens. Yes, good, ma'am. Hello, Elvis. Still making that shelf? No. Now then, Jupiter, my lovely, just checking the silence. Stop pushing, I can't see.
Oh, you got
Oh,
Can you help us with this?
is that, be careful with this tea, won't you?
You might think it's funny, but I don't. Oh, mamma mia! La stupidissima Bella! Silly Bella! No. Hello, Bella. Anything wrong? Everything's wrong. I'm not finding the key. I'm not getting to gas. I'm not served of a tea. I'm not getting no business. Don't worry, Bella.
She wasn't sparing any of that, was she? Right down the hatch that went.
What's he doing? Don't bother while I wet my bottle. Look, he's spilling more than he's drinking. Bird's mouth. Yeah.
Is that your tea now? Going cold?
Come on, Holly. Holly.
Come here, Hayley.
She's got in that pantry again, hasn't she? Is she a mop? Is she a mop? Yes. Oh, the paper's gone on the floor. Yeah, can't wait a minute. Who is it? Hayley.
What have you got, Hayley? Look at her, she's trying to get on that bloody train. See her?
Whoopsie daisy. There's Faye.
See your bed, please.
Yeah, bring that cake.
Holly, stop looking at Mark.
Mind your head.
Get through there, Hayley.
It's in there, wasn't there?
Could you shut it on there?
I know. It's with that video looking sugar. And you're rolling it out of her mouth. Oh dear.
Got to.
Come on then. Look at that bottle. Where's Daddy?
Wave bye-bye. 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 Wave Andy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Who are you? Been waving all morning and now she's stopped then. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, you don't know what you want, do you?
I think she's ready for sleep.
You're going to bank your head if you do that.
Had defied democracy and made life uncomfortable, if not dangerous, for American troops around the canal. That won't stop international criticism. America's recent...
Press that. Now watch.
Oh.
This is not making any noise.
That action raised tension in the Middle East. So today is May in Central America.
What's she done?
That's what she can't do.
Yeah. What she won't let her do.
The Prime Minister first heard news of the American intervention on the south.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Like feeding a sheep, you know, when they feed lambs.
Yeah. What's she doing in bedroom? What's that she having a sleep, eh?
Oh, she's here. Oh, what you got? Come here, Mummy, look.
Here. What have you got?
You know that's full of potpourri, Julie.
Bring it here, Faye.
Who said you could have that? That's mine. Whose is it?
Let's have a look inside. You show Mummy.
Have a look inside, then. Look.
Full.
Well, it was.
It's not full now.
Where will it be
That's where my
then?
bedroom floor is.
Yes.
Oh, aren't they a pair? Are you going to be like them? Are you? Holly, this is horsework. Do you want it or not? She does.
No. Coming on telly. Faye, leave the... Coming on telly, Philomena. Don't you want me to tape it, yeah? Come here, sucky finger. Oh, look. No, I didn't think you would.
Oh, you sick.
I think it's nearly bedtime for Hayley. She's throwing herself about. Look, mind your feet, Faye. Look, sit on your little stool. Can't find your tissue.